Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your WooCommerce store if your downloads are not working. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. So if you're using WordPress just like me, go to wordpress.com, and after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here at the left side of the screen, we can get started with accessing the plugins that we use for running our WooCommerce store. So from here, you're going to go and be able to access your WooCommerce plugins. So let's go take a look at what to do if our downloads are not working. So as you can see, there is already a topic on the official WordPress forum, somebody asking the question, WooCommerce downloads no longer working. And here we have a couple of answers by people affiliated with WooCommerce on what you can go and try out. So basically guys, usually the main problem is with plugins. So what you want to do is go ahead and disable all the plugins that you have in your WooCommerce store directly from here. From here, you're going to turn them on one by one. And once you turn the one that's going to be causing the problems, you're going to refresh the website every time you turn a plugin on. You're going to see which one is causing your problems. That is going to be your main plugin that you want to take a look at. And from there, you can either disable it completely and install a new plugin, or you can go and contact customer support. Contact customer support of WooCommerce and WordPress, explain what the problem is, and they're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.